As I'm putting together the basic skeleton model of my website over here, I just wanted to point out that since I'm going to be using CSS to style things, I really don't need any kind of fancy HTML markup. I mean, it's going to be semantic, meaning that it's going to have some kind of meaning, but I don't need any kind of special tags. Actually, in all, the only tags I'm using here are currently H1 as for a header. I'm using paragraphs, and I'm using unordered lists, and then of course you're going to have the A attribute to for links and all that stuff. But my point is, since I could use CSS to target specific areas and everything's in a div, for example, I have my subheading for site subtitle, which is just a paragraph tag. But if I create a style sheet, if I create a selector for this thing, I could just target this thing specifically, so I don't have to use any you know classes or anything like that. I'm just using standard, just regular, no span. Although span sometimes is useful, I'm not using the span tag. Um, Ultimately, the point is that by me keeping the HTML markup simple, for one, it makes my life easier because I don't need to remember all these tags and all this stuff. And the second thing is that it's always good practice because it helps with search engine optimizing, because search engines pay particular attention, especially if you're going to have a header. Name it a header, and then because it's going to, but that semantic information that we keep on talking about is important to search engines to give you higher results in ranking.